Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have The Journey by Agnes1210. Looking at Agnes's code, we can see some forever blocks, when I receive blocks, repeat, and broadcast blocks. Begin your awesome journey and survive the levels. Next we have Buddy Maths by Graceful Awful. Looking at the code, we see repeat blocks, play sound blocks, and when I receive blocks as well. It's time to practice your math skills, get the correct answer to advance. Up next we have RPG Game Fail by Friendly Wonders. Looking at the code, we see move with key blocks, forever if blocks, and point and direction blocks too. This RPG game is definitely not a fail. Wander the map and find things to do. Lastly, we have Hangman by Handy Stop. Play the classic Hangman game in a text code setting. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!